My name is Chris Joseph J. Maamo. I'm here to talk about the life of Dr. Andrew L. Tan. Dr. Andrew L. Tan is prominent Filipino-Chinese businessman and philanthropist known for his transformative impact on various industries in the Philippines, particularly in real estate, hospitality, and the beverage industry. Born in Fujian, China, Tan moved to Hong Kong as a child and later migrated to the Philippines with his family. Despite growing up in the modest conditions, his determination and entrepreneurial spirit propelled him to success. He graduated magna cum laude in the business administration from the University of the East and supported himself through college by selling watches and tutoring students. Tan's early business ventures began with a trade firm that dealt in the home appliances. However, his major breakthrough came in 1979 when he acquired a small distillery which eventually became a Emperador Inc. Under the leadership, Emperador grew to the largest brandy producer in the world. In the real estate sector, Tan is best known for founding Mega World Corporation, which is pioneered the live work play township concept in the Philippines. His developments such as Eastwood City and McKinley Hill have transformed urban living and contribute significantly to the country's economic growth. Aside for his business success, Tan is also recognized for his philanthropic efforts and commitment to sustainability through the conglomerate Alliance Global Group Inc. He has initiated numerous community development and environmental programs. Today, Dr. Andrew L. Tan continues to be a major influencer in various industries, leaving a lasting legacy as a visionary leader and entrepreneur.